refrigerant working pressures and temperatures. All right, technician. All right, now that you understand refrigerant safety classifications, let's talk about something every technician must know: working pressures and temperatures for each refrigerant. This helps you know if a system is undercharged, overcharged, or working just right, and it's one of the most important things you'll use in the field. In this lesson, we're focusing only on residential air conditioning refrigerants. We'll go one by one, based on an outdoor temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit and an evaporator coil temperature around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start. R22, Freon. Still found in older systems, although it's being phased out. Suction pressure low side, 60 to 75 psi. Discharge pressure, high side, 250 psi. Evaporator temp, around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Condensing temp, around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-flammable, but no longer legal to produce in the US. R410A, pure uncommon in modern systems, but also being replaced soon. Suction pressure, 1 in 10 to 30 psi. Discharge pressure, 370 to 410 psi. Evaporator temp, around 40 temp, around 115 degrees. Note, R410A runs at much higher pressure than R22. Make sure your gauges and tools are compatible. R32, found in new inverter systems, more efficient but flammable. Suction pressure, 118 to 135 psi. Discharge pressure, 400 to 440 psi. Evaporator temp, 40 degree MEF condensing, flammable, A2L, so always follow safety procedures. R454B, new replacement for R410A, used in many 25-plus models. Lower GWP than R410A. Suction pressure, 105 to 120 psi. Discharge pressure, 350 to 390 psi. Evaporator, 40 GWF. Condensing temp, 110. Slightly lower pressures than R410A. Flammable, A2L, R290, propane only used in small mini-split systems. Suction pressure, 60 to 75 psi. Charge pressure, 180 to 220 psi. Evaporator temp, condensing temp. Highly flammable, A3, used with extreme care. Not for every technician or application. Summary tip: use the PT chart for accurate readings. Memorize the ranges. Always compare your system's performance with these expected values. If it's way off, time to start troubleshooting. See you in the next class, technician.